Searching for a value in a one-dimensional array. For example, when user input a value, search in the myList until value is found or until at the end of the myList. When value is found, output the location of the value, and if the value is not found, output a message value not found. One possible answer is as follows. In order to develop our answer, we are using identifier table. Identifier table will helpful for us to develop our answer in such a way where we can identify the data structures, variables that we are going to use, their data types clearly. Here the first one is myList, that's an array, size is 0 to 6 means that the size is 7 of integer data type, that's a data structure 1D array to store 7 numbers. Max index integer data type, the number of elements in the array. Search value integer data type, identifier the value to be searched for. Found is a Boolean data type, identifier true if the value has been found, false if the value has not been found. Identifier index is integer data type, variable, index of the array element currently being processed. Here is one example pseudocode. First we make maximum index 6 because we are starting with the first value and the maximum number of indexes that we go will be 6. We input the search value after that. We make found equals to false because at the beginning we don't have a value that we have found. Therefore found equals to false. Index equals to -1 because at the beginning we are outside the array. We are repeating the process. Repeat, index equals to index plus 1. We go to the first index. Then we are checking if myList index equals to search value. If myList first index value, whether it is equals to the search value that we have given. If that is true, if it is equal, we make found variable true. That means we found the value. We continue this process until found equals to true, that means until we find the value or index equal greater than or equal to max index. There can be two scenarios. We may find the value or maybe we go until the end of the data structure but we may not find the value. Therefore we say until found equals to true, that means until we find the value or until index greater than or equal to maximum index. After that, if found equals to true, what we will do? Then we output value found at location and we can output the index value, else we can output value not found, like that. You can get totally different type of questions from this section about searching, but the architecture of the questions will be the same. They will give different types of questions, but still they will give the size of the array and maybe they will give different descriptions. The same architecture of questions will be given in most of the cases. It's about searching for a value in one-dimensional array. After that, let's discuss about linear search in next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.